Welcome to the lair of the Batty Boffin.
Hi there Batty fans, a little bit more exam practice here with the Batty Boffin, and here we've got Bathilda the Batty cat, who today has been playing on a climbing frame. She has built herself this climbing frame out of 2 sloping sticks and then 2 horizontal shelves. Those 2 lines are parallel to each other. For part A, please, could you mark on the diagram with a blob all the angles that are the same size as this one, and with a cross all the angles that are the same size as this one. Okay, off you go. Right, for this question we're going to need our X angles, our F angles and our Z angles, or opposite angles and corresponding and alternate if you want to give them their proper names. These ones here in the X angles, the opposite ones are equal, as are the top and bottom ones. For the F angles, the ones under the armpits are equal, and for the Z angles, these ones forming the zigzag are the same. So, looking at this one, we've got an opposite angle there, we've got F angles here, and another opposite one there on the X. For the crosses, similarly, we've got this one here on the X angles, and then the bottom part of the armpits there, and if you want to use Z angles, or you can call it whatever you like, there's another one. So there are where the crosses and the blobs should go. Right, for part B, we're going to come back in a minute. I'm going to draw something more on the board. See you in a minute. Right, we've got another angle marked up there. So for part B, I'd like to know the size of that angle, please. To work this out, we're going to need to use this top triangle. I've drawn it out here. Now, because of the blobs and crosses, we know some of the sizes of these angles. If that one's 87, then that bit is also 87. And if that bit's 115, then that bit's 115. So I'll just draw that in down here, which tells us what that bit is because of the angles on a straight line. They need to add up to 180. We've got 115, so 180, take off 15, 180, 165, that makes that one. Okay, so we know that the angles in a triangle add up to 180. We've got 65 and 87 already for these two. 5 and 7, that's 12, 2 down and carry the 1. 6 and 8, that's 14 plus 1 there is 15. So we've got 152 already, and we need to make it up to 180. Add on 8, that gets us to 160, so 28. So that bit is 28. And if that bit is 28, then this bit up here must be 152 degrees to make it up to the 180. Did you catch all that? I hope so. I'll see you next time in a little more exam practice. Bye for now, Batty fans.
Mwah! Mwah! Mwah!